Hey everyone, welcome back to beautiful sunny Florida and welcome back to the gardens. This is a beautiful 55 plus community here in Seminole, Florida, and we were hosting an open house here a few weeks ago. So we're back here at another unit that has currently come up for sale for $213,000. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, second floor unit, very beautifully updated and very beachy feel to it. So, in this community, we're going to take a look around here again. So we over by the water, so this is considered intracoastal. This is the same water we showed you previously at the other listing, but the building, even though they look very similar, this one is actually in a different circle, and it's in the buildings at the front of this circle at the main road. So unfortunately we don't have a view of this beautiful river, but I mean, you literally just walk out your door and here it is. So of course, as you can see, intracoastal, which is always in high demand. We have tennis courts, bike storage, there are shuffleboard courts, there are outdoor grills, and each of these little circles has their own heated pool. So everybody here has, use of their little community pools. So we'll just take a quick walk over here and I'll sort of show you where the pools are located in the middle of the circles. You can sort of see one over there. It's viewed very nicely landscaped here. Nice walking community, pet friendly. Very close to the beaches. It's really probably about a 10-minute hop over to the coast and the closest beach over there, depending which beach you want to go to. And just off of Park Boulevard, which is a main thoroughfare connecting you to various areas around here, and of course a lot of shopping and restaurants and services and amenities and whatnot. So this is the pool. So as you can see, it's really well taken care of. You can hear the birds. It's a beautiful day here, very nice and sunny. The humidity's started to come up a little bit, but it's not too bad yet. So little clubhouse in here. I don't have the keys on me to get into here right now, but we could probably get into the pool. And it's quiet this morning. Usually these are pretty full. A little outdoor grill, your shuffleboard courts. And so you can see the layout here. So all of the majority, there's a couple of complexes in here that are not set up like this, but the majority of them are these nice little circles. So it's a really nice, close-knit little community, very quiet, close to everything, and it's just a nice layout, nice amenities. I really love these little Spanish look buildings. They're not all exactly the same. These guys have brown roofs, some of them have red roofs, but overall sort of the same concept. And each one will have its own little association for that particular complex. So we're going to head over into, I believe we're in this building. I'm a little turned around at the moment, but pretty sure we're going to be in this building, so we should have a view of the pool. So I'll check back in with you when we get up there. A little more on this community. So we're on the front side of this building where the unit is located that we're holding the open house in today. So you can see there's a couple of buildings in here that are not quite the same, but the majority of them are. So you can see that one over there has the red roof I was referring to, but a lot of little ponds in here. There's nobody in this one at the moment. Well, there's probably little fish and whatnot, but I did see a spoonbill here the other day, and I actually just saw him at the very front of the community when I drove in today. So there's definitely spoonbills. You're going to see, herons, egrets, and somebody just popped up there, a fish or a turtle perhaps. And so a lot of these little ponds around here, which just add to the ambience and atmosphere, and just super cute overall. So this is the entrance up. That is your unit, potentially. On the left there, the door straight ahead. So it is an end unit. So you have a nice view of the pond, view of the pool, and this will be your space up here. So this is the front entranceway with the stairs coming out from the parking area. You do have 2 assigned parking spaces. Unfortunately, they're not covered, but they're just to the right here. so very close to your entranceway. It is stairs. I do not believe that any of these buildings have elevators, so if that is a concern for you, then we just want to find you a first floor unit. So cute little landing that they've put some seashells down, and as you can see, we've got a newer storm door. Entrance into a nice little landing area. This is being sold furnished. There are a few pieces that are not included, but the majority of what you're seeing is going to be included in the sale. So if you do want to know what's not included, then just send me your email in the comments or send me a message and give me a call, etc. We will send you a list of what's not specifically included. So one of the nice things about this is front entry closet. This is not common in Florida. You'll hear me repeat it over and over if I do see them. We actually had to put one into our home because we had nowhere to hang just our coats, jackets, put our boots, shoes, umbrellas, things like that. You do actually have to wear a coat here on occasion. But yeah, if you do not have this front entry closet, well, even beach items, if you don't have that, all of that ends up in your bedroom closets with your wardrobe. This is a nice utility closet. So we've got the HVAC, hot water heater. So it's nice to see that this one is interior. You may have noticed on the previous one we were at that it was actually outside at the back of the stairs. So when you come up the stairs from the back side, it's in a little closet there, which is how the one adjacent to us is set up. So this door here goes down to stairs out to the pool area. So you don't have to walk all the way around the building to and from the pool. And then, of course, this utility closet belongs to the neighbor where their hot water heater and HVAC is. So this is our dining room, living room area. It's very cutely done. Very tastefully decorated. It's got a very beachy feel to it. There's still some things that you could certainly do if you would like, but it certainly has a very coastal vibe to it, and it's quite nice, quite tastefully done. This is the kitchen. It's a newer kitchen. Some smaller appliances, but that's just because that's how they have chosen to set it up. You could always put a bigger fridge in over here if you would like, and some stainless appliances, I suppose. I really like this countertop. This is actually a countertop that is pretty much what I keep wanting to get done in our kitchen when we redo our kitchen. Very cute. And this corner sink is quite nice. I like that setup. Your view from here, so this is technically the back of the condo. So that's the pool we were just walking around earlier. So you have a view from the kitchen, and then this is considered your lanai or sunroom. And you have a view of the pool from here as well. So it's not the full view. You've got a little bit of the clubhouse in the front here, but you do have a cute pool view. And of course, just nice view of the grounds. And then actually you do have a view of the river here, or the intracoastal. So that is the intracoastal that we were at earlier, just back there. So lots of windows, which is very nice. Very spacious living room area. So this is 1,285 square feet. And then the bedrooms are off to the side. So you also have an additional storage closet here, or linen closet. So a lot of extra space here, which is always nice. So that's nice, especially considering we don't have basements here. You don't have a garage for additional storage. So any additional storage you can find in a condo especially is always nice. Super cute decor here. So this bathroom, of course, has also been recently updated vanity, and this wallpaper is actually really quite cute. Nice mirror. Some of the original elements in here, but depending on your taste, these are things that a lot of people actually really like to have. So So this would be the guest bedroom. So that would be a double, at least, possibly a queen, but I think that's probably a double bed and a single. So you obviously have room in here for a larger bed if you would like. It was used as a rental, which is why you see locks on this closet. That's what we call an owner's closet when people use them for more short-term rentals. And they rent them out fully furnished, turnkey, with all the dishes and whatnot. And then they keep their personal belongings in the owner's closet and put a lock on them just to prevent access to their own personal items that they're concerned about. So this side, this room and the master then have a view of that pond that we're overlooking. Also gives you a nice view of the community, so you can see sort of the space around you here. So this is the master, very tastefully done again. And again, the majority of all of this is going to be included. Nice barn door on here, which makes a big difference in these spaces as well, to not interfere in your space when the door is opening into the bedroom and whatnot. Very nice sized bathroom in here, new vanity. The wallpaper in here again is very tastefully done. And these would be the similar light fixtures that were in the other one, but they've painted the tops here white, and they may have painted the chain with a silver as well, because I believe the other one was brass. We can go back and take a look at that in a minute. And then this one also has a nice walk-in closet. So 2 walk-in closets, which is nice to have this extra space. And again, your nice view of the pond. And your community. It's just laid out very nicely. It's very well manicured, landscaped, well maintained. It's just nice to look out here and see the green space that you have around you. So I guess this one's a little different. It's a little bigger, but yeah, it has the brass colored chain. So that one I would almost think might have been spray painted, something I certainly would have considered doing. That would have been cute as an actual light fixture, but it would be hard to get. You'd have something in there. All right, so there you have it. So again, 1,285 square feet. Just came on the market yesterday, listed at $213,000. So let me know if you would like some additional information, if you want to take a look at it in person, anything else, any questions that you may have, and we can go from there. All right, have a great day, everyone.